So the surgery that we're doing on Honey today is, as I said, a spay or an ovariohysterectomy. We're taking out her uterus and her ovaries. There are many benefits to this. The first big one is female dogs who go into heat. After their first heat cycle, they have a 7% chance of getting mammary cancer, or breast cancer. After the second heat cycle, they go up to 25%. So it turns to 1 in 4 dogs essentially have the risk of getting mammary cancer. It is a benefit to spay them early. Along with that, if we're waiting until they're middle aged, which, Honey, luckily she's not necessarily having this issue, but she is an older dog, and older dogs who are left intact are at risk of getting something called a pyometra, which is where the uterus fills with pus. And so both of those, the mammary cancer and the pyometra, are related to the hormones that they experience during their heat cycles. And so taking away those will help prevent those things from occurring. Now, there are studies in certain breeds. If you spay them too early, they can get spaying incontinence, which is urinary incontinence, where they leak urine at an earlier age than usual. And then there's also the risk of joint issues in certain breeds. There is research that is done in certain breeds, and so there is not necessarily set age for all dogs. There is an age that is preferred for certain breeds, so that's something that you would talk to your vet about. But the earlier is generally the better. The other benefit is population control, in specifically the stray population. But even your dog, if they're outside, a male will come find them. So that is another big benefit.